Hi guys. Sana gising pa kayo. Please. Please. Hey. Hi your Fabzy. How are you guys? I just got home. And I feel happy. Marky Ups. Skincare virus. Ay, wait lang. May papakita ko sa'yo. Ano na? Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait me. Wait me. Wait me, sabi ko. I just saw your iconic feet. I just saw your iconic... Wag kang alis, Miss Ross. Yan. Look. I just saw your iconic feet and I just realized I also have that. But then, hindi ko pa siya nasusuot. Baka may price tag pa eh. Ay, tinanggal ko na. Ito. Apple pa yung atake natin today. Miss Ross. Couple. Bestie. Ikaw ano? Apple pie. Ako mango pie. Mag-yellow ako sa loob. Diyak lang. Yan lang. Share ko lang. Cute, diba? Nalala kita. Natawa ako. Natawa ako. Nakita ko sa'yo. Sabi ko, wala. Same kami ng damit ng idol ko. Ganun. Thank you, guys. Sa'yo mas bag. Eme. No, mukha akong ano. Mukha akong... Basta, ganun. Idol, totoo naman. Totoo naman ah. Pie violet version. Yes. Yes. And see the shit with your chest. And be your own fucking best. Ay. Joke lang. Yun pala yun. Yes. Pero, hindi ko alam may dami pa siyang kulay. Hindi ko, nawala sa isip ko. Dami pa ba yung kulay? Pero white yung sa'yo, di ba? Pero sa'yo is so original, so creative, and so handcrafted, you know. Christine Angela! Oh my goodness, you're here! Hi! Everywhere I go, I take a picture in my wallet like you. Take a look at my girlfriend. Wait lang, I'm gonna show you something. Ang ganda ng kwarto mo, parang nandyan si Sabrina. Wala eh. He said he's this bigger than the moonlight. It means I'm holding it with two hands. It reached my kidney, they hear it in Sydney. Ay. May mga photocard pala ako dito, guys. I'm gonna show you. Kasi nung gusto ng photocard ko, it's from a fan. I mean, a friend. I don't wanna call my fans because they are my friend. My friends. Ba't isa na ako? May photocard ako. Here. Ay. Sheesh. See? Ito ba? Wait lang. Isang buhok ko. Can see the difference, right? Me either. I can see, like, it's like I saw a photo of me that I didn't know when was it's taken. Like, I didn't even know this photo of me exists, but I just gotta have to accept it. I kind of got scared because I thought it was a photo of me, but AI. Kasi AI is so scary na, like, they can make you look like you had a photo shoot, tapos it's just someone put your face in somebody else's body, or you just generated whatever, and then it's like when I got this, I kind of got scared because I really don't remember when did I took this photo, but then just gotta have to accept it, or maybe this was when I was in the laboratory or something. because I got these glasses and this fancy lab jacket. But no, joke lang. Delulu ako. I actually have my dog with me. Bakit ba? Baby. Kakaligo niya kanina. Tingnan mo. Pakita mo sila. Leave. Bark! Bark! Ay? Di ka nagbabark? May treats. Bark! Ayaw niya, guys. Wala, pinahiya niya na naman ako, guys. Basta nagbabark siya. Isipin niyo nagbark siya. Maging delulu din kayo kagaya ko. Kurt, remember yesterday? What happened yesterday? Pag nag-good night ka na sa akin, tutulog na ako. No. You come with me. You stay up with me. Kasi wala kaming pasok bukas. Like, are you just gonna sleep? Because you don't have classes tomorrow? Of course you're gonna stay up. Kasi, no classes tomorrow means you don't have to wake up early. I mean, I like night more than day. Kasi night so peaceful, everyone's so quiet, so dark. Like, if I close these lights, wait. It's dark, right? I like dark. I like dark. I like dark. Yes, I like dark. But then, when you open the lights, so chaotic. Like, my eyes are burning. I can't see anything, so bright. So, let's choose darkness over brightness. Puyat ka naman. Haha. Tama, magpuyat tayo. Yes. My advocacy is everyone here on earth should wake up at night and should sleep in the morning, because morning is chaotic. Morning is chaotic. Night is peaceful. So, I encourage everyone to stay up with me. Let's do this together. And one day, everyone here on earth will is awake at night and be sleeping on morning, right? That's my advocacy. When I join pageant, when I have the platform, when I am the Mr. Universe, I encourage everyone to stay up at night and sleep in the morning, because morning sucks. Night is so fresh, night so healthy, night so peaceful. Yes. Joke lang, baka maniwala kayo. OA guys, OA. Ano naman? Oh, ako yan. Baka kalain nyo si Yunwoo yan. Ako yan. It's the picture of me. It's a picture of me. Yes, you're right, it's me. That's just different asset. I think I don't have anything to show you guys. Kasi it's okay. I'm Kurt and I'm okay. Convinced na po. So actually, this is me and my wife. Me and my wife. That's us. Look, it's so pretty. No. Here. Our signature post. One, two, three, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Delulu sa madaling araw. Yes. May pics kayo kanina. Wala po. Okay, manghuhula tayo ngayon. I have a lot of different cards here. Pipili kayo ha. Pili kayo mga 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1 to 15. 1 to 15. Kung sino yung mapili nyo, siya yung bias nyo. 1 to 15. Pili kayo. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ang bias mo ay si Sheena. Si Beanie Sheena. Actually, I have my wife here. It's my girlfriend. Di pa kami, kasi sa Korea, kasal na kami ni Jisoo. But right now, balak namin magpakasal ni Maloy. Tinatapos lang nila yung film nila ni, sinong pangalan ng lalaki? Si Maki? Maki ba? Basta yun. Si Maki. And after that, papakasal na kami. But she's my girlfriend now. And soon to be my wife. Yes. Here she is. My baby. Maloy. Two-timer. I mean, why not? Kasi Korea, kasal naman ako. Philippines, dito kami kakasal. Parehas pala tayo ng sakit. Batiin mo birthday. Oo nga, birthday ni baby ko eh. Sabi ng isa 8. Wait lang, babalikan ko yung mga sumagot. Sabi ni Harok 8 daw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's so powerful. She's so bold. She's so pretty. She's so elegant. She's so respectful and terror. Scary looking. Very evil looking. Villain. It's a bad girl look. It's a bad girl. 4. Sabi ni Ian Tangolay. 1, 2, 3. Nako. 4. Si Joanna. Joanna, my girlfriend's co-member. Yes. She's nonchalant. She's elegant. She's really pretty, you know. She's classy. And yes. Okay. For right now, no, dalawa lang. I mean, isa lang girlfriend ko. To clear everything, isa lang po ang girlfriend ko, si Maloy lang. And I have wife. And she's Jisoo. It's actually our wedding anniversary on July 8. It's coming. And we are 4 years and counting. 4 years. Magpo 4 years na kami sa July 8. Anyways, let's start the reading. Who wants to go first? Let's go. We're going down. Our viewers is 23. No one's exiting or else I'm gonna kill you. Okay, 23. Should be 24 and above. Okay, who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Our tarot reading. Choose number 1 to 15. 5 years na kami yan ni Maloy. Okay. 13. Michael Leeson 6 said, wait, isa-isa lang. Let's go with Michael. I really love you guys kasi we're 27 now. No one's exiting. No! We're going down. 26, okay. So, I forgot. Sabi ni Michael 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Mamalasin ka sa buhay mo. Joke lang. 13. This is my girlfriend. 13 is my girlfriend. Leave her alone, okay? Anyways, 13. I think you'll be happy. You'll be happier than ever. But someday, you're gonna look into someone's eyes and realize you still love your ex. But you just gotta have to accept the fate because leaving your ex was a good choice for the both of you. You know, this look, the look in her eyes says like, I really have a good life. I wish I didn't leave my ex, but gotta have to accept everything out and figure these things out. And I think everything will go well for you. You just have to break what's the thing that's keeping you to become a better version of yourself, and that is your ex. And yeah, that look in her eyes says that you will have a character development that will make you a stronger person, but in a peaceful way. Okay, let's go next. Let's proceed. No one's commenting as of now. Okay, comment your number 1 to 15. Nawala na sila, Curb. But you guys are 26. That was 23 before, and now it's 27. 10 sa akin, sabi ni Curbs. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, her again. My girlfriend. Actually, my reading says you'll become rich. He'll become rich. It says here, she's using glasses and a scarf to make her look rich. That signifies your wealthiness in life. I think you will live in a Paris someday. You'll roam around Italy wearing this kind of fit, old money vibes, and you'll be happier than ever. Yes. Next, let's always remember we don't have to wait for life to be hard anymore just to be happy. Oh yes, that's right. But always remember that... Wait, hindi ko ulit naintindihan. Let's always remember we don't have to wait for life to be hard anymore just to be happy. Okay. I will reply. Yes. Always remember we don't need to wait for life to be hard anymore just to be happy, because life isn't about being hard. It's being about happy. It's being about the memories you treasure and the experience you had once you have this life. Life is just temporary. You should live the best out of it. You should become yourself. Don't listen to other people. You only live once. Like when you die, like not today, but in the future. When you die in the future, you will regret not doing the things you wanted just because you listened to those people who didn't even add some spice in your life. I mean, they could have, but what I'm trying to say here is be yourself as long as you live, because you only live once. You don't know what's after life. You don't know if you will be reincarnated, you will die, like vanish, or you will meet the Lord, the God, or you will be in hell, right? So live the best out of your life. Don't wait for life to be hard on you just to become happy. I mean, it's normal. Life's a wheel. Sometimes you're in the you're above, and you're not in the above. But those hardships in your life, it's always part of it, because it will mold you. It will mold your personality to become a better person. And those hardships in life will taught you. It will become a story to tell and inspirations to others. Life is not always about being happy. There's always a hardship in life. Difficulty, you will face obstacle, but those obstacles will help you to become a better person. So I really do wish the best for you guys. Live the best out of your life. Live as if it's your last day. Because later, I don't know if this is my last day, but at least I got to share the word of my word. No, always remember, life's too short. No, again. You know, always remember, life's short, make it shorter. Okay? For the last, let's go. Let's go for the last round. I'm gonna shuffle this thing. For the last round, I want you to pick a number. Pick a number 1 to 15. For those newbies here, 14 said Kyla. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is very, very interesting. It's interesting. You wanna see? Of course, I'm gonna show you. Here's 14. It's Bini Mika. She's wearing red, which signifies blood, braveness, boldness, integrity, strong war. You know, you'll face different war in your life. That will help you become a better version, the better version of yourself, the best version of yourself. You will become the bold everything. You will become nonchalant. You will become a cold person, but that part of you, because you will face different wars and challenges. You'll have some blood, sweat, and tears in your everyday life that will eventually result into this. This signifies boldness, bravery, war, blood, love. And the love for yourself, that's the best thing you can give to yourself. I wish you all the best in life, Kyla. And this reading is for you. Take what's resonate, leave what doesn't. Thank you so much. Like, share, and follow to claim it. Come on. I'm inviting you to follow me to claim this. Not the photo card because it's mine. The reading. If you want my reading, follow me so you can claim it. Binigyan pangang digmaan, nagpa-reading lang. No, actually, I'm just spitting facts here. That's what I saw. I don't want to filter my words because we are transparency here. We're trying to be transparent. Like, I cannot say that your life gonna be good, you're wealthy, you're beautiful, you're everything. But then I saw something different. Of course, I'm gonna say that to her for her to be aware, to be ready. Right? I'm really sorry, but you gotta have to face different wars and challenges. But those wars and challenges, it will build you. It will build you to become the Kyla, the best Kyla you will be. Okay. Claiming yung nagsasalita po. Ay, joke lang. Baka tumagos ako sa screen mo. Huwag mong sabihin yan. Lasing yun. Uy, di ako nakainom ng... Para kayong baliw. Di ako uminom Claiming positive energy and Mika photo card. Your Rose photo card is nasa akin. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna give you guys a chance. Who first put number from 1 to 15? Come on. Bibigyan ko kayo ng reading. May reading kayo, shuffle ko No, tagal Late kasi yung Instagram 12, sabi ni Rich JRLD. Rich, okay, Rich, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow! This reading is for you. This reading is for you. You are, one word, you're slayable. Look, your life will slayable. Your life will slayable. Your life will be slayable. Just look. So so stylish, right? I really like how you face those challenges in your life, and you just take it as a joke. You just take like when you face challenges in life, you'll be like, "Oh, what does the universe trying to teach me?" Okay, I'ma just face it and make fun of it. You're a kind of person that every time there's hardships or difficulties you're facing, you're like, I'm having fun. Come on, test me. You're not gonna break me, universe. You know, because universe and the Lord give his hardest battle to his strongest soldier. And you, Rich, you're the kind of person that you want challenges. It you feel like there's a tickle. You feel like someone's tickling you when you're facing a challenges, and you just laugh and slay. Like you kill them. Not the person, not the animal, not a living thing, but you kill every challenges you face and slay. Stand up better and harder. Like, bitch, I'm alive. You cannot kill me with those challenges. I really like you. That's so good. That's so nice of you. Continue slaying. I really love it. Who's this? Okay. She's beautiful. You know, every time you face challenges in your life, I really admire you. Because you just have fun, and you just face it with, like, you just face it with all with yourself. Yeah, as what Popsicle said, keep devouring. You devour. You devoured. You ate and left no crumbs every day. I love you, Rich. Rich. I love you, Rich. I'm so proud of you. Ako, parid po ako. Okay, Lian, because you have a special access in my life, I will give you some time to put the desired number you want. I'm gonna shuffle it. Okay, come on. Lian, I'm waiting. I'm just shuffling here. Lian, I'm giving you last 3 seconds to put your number. 8. Okay, interesting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and actually I don't see this, but I hope you're the best in life. Oh, no way. No way, Lian, as what I've said earlier, you got the same card. Actually disappointing, because, I mean, I'm not disappointed. I'm shocked. Because I know you will live the best life. You will live the best life. No, if you are here a while ago, this reading is for you. I'm gonna repeat what I said. She's wearing a scarf, sunglasses, that gives off a rich girl, old money energy. I visualize you roaming around Italy, Paris, wearing this kind of thing. You're slaying life, and you will live the best out of your life. You will be wealthy, rich mom, single mom or not. Single mom? Syempre hindi ka magiging single mom. Ako yung tatay. Pero anyways, of your life, and shit. What happened? Naglag. Okay. You will live the best out of your life. Thank you so much. Joke lang po yung sinabi ko kay Lian, ha. May maniwala po kayo. Roaming around. Ginawa mo naman yung pulubi. No, what I mean is like, she's gonna like slay in Paris, Milan, Italy, roaming around like going to Paris, to mall, you know. Not Bluebird. We don't attract that thing. You guys, I'm not against beggars, but we're against. I'm not. No, not against that. I mean, we are not attracting that. We are attracting a good life to each and every one of you. Slayer, yes. My advocacy here is everyone should be a slayer here. Not someone who will kill, but someone who will devour in every little thing they do. Someone that will ate and left no crumbs in every task, different fields they are into. Each and every one of you, you will devour, slay. You ate this reading, of course. I mean, I've been doing psychology since I was in first year college. Yeah, I've been doing it, and it's really hard to reconnect with the energy here. You know, it's really hard to connect with the universe, but right now, I just mastered it, and I'm just here to give awareness and help you guys with your life. Tulog na, please. No, just go out here. Eme, snubber. What? No. Don't cry. I don't want my. Oh, I don't want my. I don't want. I don't want someone who's watching crying. You know. Nasobran sa psychology, naging psycho na lang. Rude. Anyways, that's the best thing I can do to help you guys. I hope that gave you awareness in what field or what action, what step, or you be ready in case of emergency. Like what I've said, someone here will face a challenge in life, like all of us will, but you know, it's always good to be ready. It's always good to be aware of what's coming, kasi that's our advantage, and this is the least thing I can help. So I feel bad for those I didn't give the chance to read their life, but you know, what's coming for you will come for you. What's meant for you is for you. 2:47 a.m. Yes, time check. Thank you so much. I use your face for my profile pic. Thank you. Face card never declines. Today, I will give you an after party. We will have an after party in my room. Wait me. Okay. Oh, such a spoiler. Okay. Everything's working right now, and we will have an after party. Okay, I think this is good. Think I only want a number in my phone. I'ma change your contacts, so don't leave me alone. You said you like my eyes and you like to make him roll. Treat me like a queen, now you got me feeling thrown. Oh, but I can't help myself when you got close to me. Baby, my tongue goes numb. Sounds like I don't know no one else. Baby, I'm in too deep. It's a little song I wrote. It's about you and me. I'll be honest. Looking at you got me thinking nonsense. Cartwheels in my stomach when you walk in. And you got your eyes around me. Oh, it feels so good. I have to hit the octave. I think I have an ex, but I forgot him. I must have lost it. I don't even know I'm talking nonsense. I'm talking all around the clock. I'm talking all my body nuts. I'm talking opposite of soft. I'm talking wild fluff. She gotta keep out with me. I got some young energy. I got some LOVE. How do you do this to me? But I can't help myself. When you got close to me, baby, my tongue goes numb. Sounds like, baby, I know one else. Baby, I'm in too deep. It's a little song I wrote. It's about you and me, I'll be honest. Looking at you got me thinking nonsense. Cartwheels in my stomach when you walk in. When you got your eyes around me, oh, it feels so good. Feels so good, I have to hit the octave. I think I have an ex, but I forgot him. And I think in my force I must have lost the hit. I don't even know I'm talking nonsense. I'm talking, Guess I'm catchier than taking Pop's quiz. I guess my house is where my other sock is. Woke up this morning, thought I'd rather. How quickly can you take your clothes off, Pop quiz? Today I met my fans and it's amazing. I thought I forgot I have zinc. And then, I love you. Thank you guys. Thank you for attending my concert. Yeah, you're right. Acid concert. It's not concert, it's concert. Wait, gonna come back for the fit check. I mean, outfit change. Okay, let's go for another song. And it's called, wait, I lost my mic. Okay, I'm just gonna use what I have right now. Okay, for our next song. I always think life's so hard when I'm with you. But then, when you got out of my life, when I cutted you off, I feel like I'm so free. And I feel like my head is so free, like a feather. Always like that. I'm your dream come true when it's on the platter for you. Then you pull back. I'm tired to make plans more than 2 hours in advance. Slam the door, I hit ignore, I say no, right. Got you blocked, this is an after. Ako pala yung blina. Finally I caught you up. I feel so much lighter like a feather with you of my life. You're talking to the memories like whatever, you're a waste of time. Your signals are mixed, you act like you feel every stereotype, send the pic. I feel so much lighter like a feather with you of my life. With you of my life. feels so good not caring where you are tonight. And it feels so good not pretending to like the one you like. Slam the door, hit ignore. I say no, 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 right. Got you blocked, excited to never talk. I'm on SNL and you're not. I feel so much lighter like a feather with you of my life. We stereotypes and the pick. I feel so much lighter like a feather with you of my whole life. With you of my life. Coachella. Me, I'm done. Say that you love me. Hey, you want me? I'm done. You miss me? I'm done. Where I'm at? I'm done. Where I'm at? You want me? I'm done. You miss me? I'm done. Where I'm at? I'm done. Where I'm at? Grabe naman kayo. Bakit drunk? Hindi naman ako may inom. You want me? I'm done. You miss me? I'm done. Where I'm at? I'm done. Where I'm at? And for our last song, it's gonna be amazing. It's so amazing that I have to change my excuse me. I have to change my outfit. Wait, okay? Wait. When I come back, I want you to sing along with me. Even if you're behind the screen, I want you to sing along with me, okay? This is my last song for today. Wait lang. Okay, this is the last song for today. You have to change the lights because this is technicality. No. Oh my goodness, I can find it. Wait me. Okay, I think I'll just settle with this one. Okay, you guys are 25. Wait, chill. Don't blame me, love made me crazy if it doesn't. Wait, I have to retake, guys. Don't blame me, love made me crazy if it doesn't, you ain't doing it right. Lord, take me, my drug is my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life. I've been breaking hearts a long time and searching to follow the guys and easy for me, do you? Something happened for the first time and The darkest of the paradise shaking places, darkness need you. For you I would cross the line, I would waste my time, I would. Don't blame me, love made me crazy. Take me, my drug is my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life. Don't blame me, love made me crazy. If it doesn't, you ain't doing it right. Oh Lord, take me, my drug is my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life. I get so high, oh. Strips of my life, oh. I get so high, oh. Strips of my life, oh. Every time you loving me. Oh Lord, take me, my drug is my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life. Oh, oh, oh. Doing it right. Don't blame me, love made me crazy. If it doesn't, you ain't doing it right. Oh Lord, take me, my drug is my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life. I'll be you. Stay tuned. Oh, every time you're loving me, Oh Lord, take me, my drug is my baby, I'll be using for the rest of my life. Don't blame me, don't blame me. Don't blame me for what you made me do. Don't blame me, don't blame me. Don't blame me for what you made me. I don't like your little games, don't like your tilted stage, the role you made me play of the fool. No, I don't like you. I don't like your perfect crime, how you laugh when you lie. You said the gun was mine, isn't cool. No, I don't like you. But I got smarter, I got harder in the nick of time. Honey, I rose up from the dead, I do it all the time. I got a list of names and yours is in red underline. I check it once, then I check it twice, oh. Look what you made me do, look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do, look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do, look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do, look what you just made me do. Key, say, once belongs to me. You ask me for a place to sleep, lock me out and threw a feast. What? The world moves on, another day, another drama. But not for me, all I think about is karma. One thing's for sure, baby, I got my but you all get yours. Nick of time, do it all the time. Do you guys know the lyrics to this song? Sing it with me. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. I can't anymore, guys. That's it for today. Ay, thank you guys for watching me. I kind of have had fun. No. But maybe I should listen to them that I should sleep na. Nagbiblink pa din mata ko. Bakit? Ala, nanonood po pala sa Ate Gia. Nakakahiya po. Pasensya na po. Nanonood pa din pala po kayo. Akala ko po kasi. Pasensya na po. Hindi po ako yun. Iba yun. Hindi ako yun. Guys, that's not me. Please, hide it away. My credentials. Joke lang. Nakakahiya. Okay lang yan. Sometimes in life. With Eme. Thank you guys. It's 3 a.m. And I hope you had fun. Ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Good night. Sorry. Naboring kasi ako. Sabi ko, kailangan ko gawin to. Joke lang. Bye-bye po, guys. Good night. Till next concert. Let's see each other. Good night. Good night. Actually, let's not say good night. Let's say hindi pa ako matutulog. Asan na yung charger ko? Oh no, I lost my charger. Nag-postpone soft hours ko. Thank you. Really? Thank you. But start pala ng soft hours mo, 3 a.m. pa lang eh. Wait lang guys. Nawawala yung charger ko. I think I must find it first. Before I think tell me who I am, 'cause I don't have a choice. Nandiyan pa yung charger ko. Tell me who I am, 'cause I don't have a choice. All because I like the boy. You know this for what? And everything went down, we're already broken up. Ay, nandiyan ba charger ko? Yung iPhone? Because sorry. Hi Kurt, hello po. Guys, I lost my charger. I think I lost my charger. Anyways, I'm just gonna charge with this fake charger. I think I got an ex, but I forgot him. I think I wasn't lost. I'm talking all around the clock. I'm talking all my body knots. I'm talking opposite of soft. I'm talking wild flush. You gotta keep up with me. I got some young energy. I got some Halloween. How do you do this to me? But I can't help myself. When you get close to me, baby, my tongue goes numb. Sounds like room tour. Kita niyo yung kalit-lit ng kwarto. Magpapa-room tour ako. Hi guys. Hello. What is your favorite song right now? I think Feather. Parang ibang universe kada pasok ng pinto. Actually, yung kwarto ko muna yung pinaayos ko kasi I want a soft, parang magandang space. Tapos then, when I had the money, yung baba naman yung pinaayos ko. Look, I can show you guys. It's really stressful, but worth it kasi it's good. Looks good. For me, it looks good. I don't know if it looks good for you guys, but yeah, it looks good for me. I really like it. Dami sinabi. I can help myself when you get close to me. Look. So pretty. It's home. It's great. I like my house. So pretty, cozy. So good. Like it. Yeah. I lost my savings for that, but I'm happy my mom is happy. Thank you po, guys. If it wasn't with you guys, I am not able to do it. And of course, my friends, they helped me. Please listen to song called Nothing Else Matters from Metallica. It's powerful and beautiful, meaningful. So, okay, I'm gonna save this one. Proud of you, as I am too. Proud of you, always. Can we chat? Yes, of course. Okay. Easy, hello. Naging nonchalant bigla. Na-off pala. Na-off pala. Sorry, I was reading the caption. Okay. I-replay ko Sorry guys, bakit naka-mute? Anyways, may nabasa ko here sa Facebook. Ayan Yan. I'm gonna read it for you. It's Maloy, so of course I'm gonna read it. There's always one thing that I do really love about this music video. It's bittersweet feeling while Maloy is still grateful about the connection that she had with Maki. Where even that person isn't there for her anymore, she still managed to be yellow for herself. She still still choose to use it. Where in fact, even there's a long way connection that you're having with someone, even it's romantic or platonic, there's always a season where you lose them, even they gave you a lot of love and support. That's why even sometimes connection didn't last, there's always one thing that you can consider. It's the happiness and comfort you had with them. It feels so good to be someone's dilaw in this cruel world. Even things ended up in a way that unexpected. So, titingnan ko lang yung music video. Bakit yung po inas kong close kami ni Matthew? Bakit? Thank you. May dilaw si Malay dito. Nakatingin sa iyong mata, ang mundo ay kalma. Ngayong nandyan ka na, di na mamadali ko na katabi. Saan ko kay pumati? Di na makahanap ng kung anong sabi sa mga tanong dahil ikaw ang katiyakan ko. Hindi na ako bibitaw. Ngayong ikaw na para sa'yo. So good. Love the meaning. So good. Sakit, Liv. Naiyak na siya. Ba't ako iiyak? Nandyan ka naman. Eh. No. That's so good. I love the song actually. Galing. Hi Cedric, hi Tristan Jolo. Hello. I don't like to sing sick. Saan ako sick? Hindi ako sick. Oh. This is so good. So good. I like the song. Night, guys. Thank you for staying on my live. Good night po. Bye-bye, Lian. Good night, Lian. Good night, guys. Good night. Bye-bye. Sleep well, guys.